Imagine a situation where a crucial video is mistakenly deleted by you or it is removed for violating YouTube's terms. Are you prepared for such an accident? Well, if not, in this video we'll show you 5 useful ways to recover deleted YouTube videos. Without further ado, let's start with first method. If you have backed up your videos on your PC or smartphone, or have it backed up into a cloud platform, that would be quite easy to recover it. But if you don't have backup file, you can recover deleted videos from Wayback Machine. Wayback Machine is an internet website to recover lost YouTube video with URL. First, you need to find your video URL, then paste the link in the search box. Wait for a while, the website will automatically display a list of dates. You can select the date before the video was deleted, and the video which matched the URL will appear so that you can select to download on your PC. If you can't find your video link or Wayback Machine failed to restore your deleted YouTube video, you can try to restore from Google. Go to Google and search for this site, www.youtube.com plus Tenorshare 4DDig in the search bar. Then there will be videos that share same video title as you input before in the search result. You can browse all of these videos to see if you can find your desired one. Another useful way to recover deleted YouTube videos is from help support. Click the profile of your YouTube channel and click send feedback. Here you can show your intention that you want to recover your deleted video and remember to attach the title and URL of the deleted YouTube video. If none of these works, using a data recovery tool like Tenorshare 4DDig to recover deleted videos from computer is an ultimate way. Tenorshare 4DDig is a professional video data recovery tool which can recover your deleted, formatted, corrupted, or any lost videos from Windows, Mac, USB, SD card, external hard drive. To recover your deleted videos from computer, just download and install Tenorshare 4DDig on PC and run it. Select a location where contains your deleted YouTube videos and then click Start to Scan. It will take a while for 4DDig to scan out the files from selected location, which depends on the data size on it. After that, you will find deleted videos here. 4DDig also enables you to recover other file types like photos, audios, Office document, and more. Now you can select target video and preview it, and then click Recover to retrieve the deleted YouTube video. This is how to recover deleted YouTube videos. We highly recommend you to give it a try to Tenorshare 4DDig, which can effectively recover your lost or deleted data without any hassle. If you have any questions, just leave your comments below. See you next time.